Got a P0171 Lean Code and thinking the catalytic converter might be involved? Before replacing expensive parts, try this simple DIY method using only soapy water to check for exhaust leaks near the catalytic converter. A small exhaust leak can confuse oxygen sensor readings and trigger a P0171 code. Today, I'll show you how professional mechanics test it at home. With some soapy water or washing powder, you can easily fix the P0171 error code yourself by watching this video. The P0171 code indicates that the engine is getting too much air or too little fuel, causing the air-fuel mixture to be too lean. This can cause the check engine light, rough idle, and power loss. The problem should be fixed quickly, even if the car can be driven for short distances. Now let me tell you what is a catalytic converter. A catalytic converter is an important part of a car's exhaust system, which helps reduce harmful exhaust gases. It converts harmful gases into less harmful carbon dioxide and water vapor through a ceramic honeycomb core and special catalyst inside stainless steel, thereby reducing environmental pollution. Now you know where exactly the catalytic converter is located. The catalytic converter is usually attached to the exhaust pipe under the car, between the engine and the muffler. In most cars, it is located closer to the engine, which helps reduce harmful exhaust emissions more efficiently. Many of you know, or many don't know, what the symptoms of a faulty catalytic converter are. A faulty catalytic converter can cause black smoke to come out of the exhaust pipe, excessive heat to build up under the car, and reduced performance. Acceleration may also feel weak, and the check engine light may come on. Here is one simple method to help fix a catalytic converter problem. This process may improve exhaust flow, reduce engine issues, and help restore vehicle performance before replacing the catalytic converter. Now, the first step is to carefully remove the catalytic converter from your vehicle's exhaust system before inspecting or repairing it. Next, take a bucket filled with water, add some detergent soap, and mix it well until it becomes foamy. Place the catalytic converter into the detergent solution and let it soak for about 10 hours to help remove dirt and carbon buildup inside it. Inside the converter, there are small honeycomb-shaped passages that can clog easily. Cleaning them may help restore proper exhaust flow and improve performance. After the repair, clear the P0171 code with an OBD2 scanner and test drive the vehicle. Important safety warning: never touch a hot catalytic converter or spray excessive water on extremely hot exhaust parts. Exhaust components become dangerously hot within minutes. And that's how you can diagnose a possible P0171 exhaust leak near the catalytic converter using only soapy water and one simple DIY method. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below what vehicle you're working on.